Hey there, if you're like me, struggling with stubborn belly fat or feeling low on energy no matter what you try, let me tell you about something that actually worked for me. It's called Akka Supplement. It's not just another weight loss pill. Akka is a natural supplement designed to clean and heal your liver. Why is that important? Because your liver does more than you think. It burns fat, removes toxins, and even helps control blood sugar. Dr. Gina Sam, a top gut doctor from New York, helped create this formula after realizing that many people can't lose weight because of liver damage, yes, even if you diet and exercise. How does Akka Supplement work? Okay, so here's how it works, simple and real. Akka focuses on healing your liver by using a special, superbiotic, called Akkermansia. This tiny hero lives in your gut and helps restore your metabolism. When I started taking Akka, I noticed I had more energy during the day, less brain fog, and, honestly, my bloating went way down in the first week. Over time, I even started to drop weight, especially around the belly. It doesn't work like magic overnight, but it works from the inside out, cleansing the liver, reducing toxins, and getting your body to burn fat naturally again. Features and benefits of Akka Supplement. So what makes Akka stand out from the other stuff I've tried? Supports liver detox. It helped flush out years of bad habits, fast food and sugar. Burns belly fat. I lost about 12 pounds in 6 weeks, without starving or overworking at the gym. Boosts energy. I used to crash after lunch. Now I stay sharp and focused all day. Improves digestion. No more heavy stomach or gas issues. Natural ingredients. No crazy chemicals or weird side effects. It's like giving your liver a fresh start. And when your liver is healthy, everything else works better too. Your skin, your sleep, even your mood. How to use Akka Supplement. This was easy for me. Just take 1 capsule in the morning, preferably with water before breakfast. That's it. No need for mixing powders or timing meals. I made it a part of my morning routine, just like brushing my teeth. Dr. Sam calls it a 7-second ritual. And seriously, that's all it takes. Akka Supplement pros and cons. Let me be super honest here. Pros. Helped me lose fat without changing my whole life. Felt more focused and energetic. Cleared up my skin and digestion. Just 1 capsule a day. Made with natural and safe ingredients. Cons. It's not a quick fix, you need to give it time. Only available online. A bit pricey, but for me, worth it compared to doctor visits and meds. Price and amp. Where to buy Akka Supplement? I bought Akka from the official website to make sure it was legit. A bottle lasts 30 days. Prices change based on how many you buy, but here's what I remember. 1 bottle was around $69. 3 bottles deal came to about $59 each. 6 bottles gave the biggest discount, around $49 each. They also gave a money-back guarantee, so I felt pretty safe trying it out. Just make sure you don't buy it from Amazon or eBay. Too many fakes out there. Conclusion of Akka Supplement. So, is Akka worth it? For me, yes. I tried diets, workouts, and even those fancy weight loss shots. But nothing helped like Akka. Once I started taking care of my liver, my body felt alive again. This isn't just a weight loss pill, it's a gut and liver reboot. And if your belly fat, tiredness, or mood swings have been holding you back, I totally recommend giving Akka a try. Just remember, real change takes time, but Akka makes it possible. Like, share, and subscribe if you found this review helpful. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll answer from my own experience.